Sunny day project today here in the shop. I'm working on a humpback whale. I've had an idea of drawing up some stuff. We'll see if it works. Gonna cut it out on the plasma table, and with any luck I won't have any issues with it, but we'll see. Anyways, cutting it out of 16 gauge mild steel, and I think we've got it all dialed in, so I'm just going to start it up now. Done a dry run already, so everything should be fine on the table. So let's give it a shot.
Cut time on this piece is about 2.5 minutes, so I thought I'd speed it up a little bit for you.
Number one, complete. That's pretty good. Now I got to do another fin and see how that turns out.
Time to clean up the dross on the backside with the wire wheel.
Grind to clean it off, and that's where this is going to go there, and we'll see how it goes.
Now it's time to weld that fin into place.
Alright, it's good. I think I'll just tack it down. that up and then we'll see how it looks. Gonna play around with some silicon bronze MIG welding just to give some texture to the humpback whale. Just play around with settings, see if I can get something that I like for like barnacles and stuff like that. So that's what I'm doing now. See, I think I might turn out okay.
Doing these bronze accents really took a little more time than I thought it was going to, because what you're trying to do is you're trying to do a really crappy job of welding, so it spits all over the place and balls up, and that just makes it harder for the welding wire to deal with the metal it's welding to, so it gets stuck and you have to cut it off, and you have to redo it and cut it off again when it sticks. So yeah, took a little longer than I had planned, but finally did get it done. Here it is, bronze accents are done.
All right. Some bronze accents.
Wasn't quite finished. Needed to add a couple more spots on that tail. And there it is, the whale's finished. Really like those bronze accents. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this, and stay tuned for more.